Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to study ICSE Mathematics. So let's start. Take out this book. Chapter 3, Subtraction up to 9. Okay. So number and number name practice. Page 41. Open the page. Subtraction means minus sign, 42. 6 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. See, 6 apples is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 minus. So left 1, 2, 3, 4. Mangoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mangoes is here. 4 minus. So left 1. Number 1, count, color and write the answer. See here is very easy. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 minus 3 is equal to minus sign. So 1, 2, 3. So left 1, 2, 3. So answer minus subtraction. Minus means subtraction. It's very easy. Okay. Number 2, 43. Cross the picture and find the difference. Okay. So cross and write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. So you minus 1, 2. So left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 answer. Okay. Page 44. 3. Subtract the given numbers. 6 minus 6. Minus sign. 6 minus 6. 0. Okay. Okay. And see here 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means before number. One step back. So 3. If you any problem, so draw the lines. Any problem, children, draw the lines. A 6 minus 6 is equal to, draw the lines. 5, 6. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, nothing. Okay. C 4 minus 1. So draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus. So left 1, 2, 3. So answer 3. So practice. Okay. Minus practice. Page 45 also practice. 46 also. See, subtract 7. Page 47. 7. Subtract the given numbers on the number line. Okay, number line. See here number line 0 to 9. So 8 minus 4. So where is 8? 8. Minus 4 means backward you go. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. So answer is 4. See page 48. Subtract the given numbers to find the difference. Okay. See 8, 7, 4 minus sign. Draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 4 minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So left 1, 2, 3. Answer. It's very easy. But children, practice. Now problem solving. 49 page. Solve these word problems. Practice is very important. Test yourself. 50 page 50. Subtract the given numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Subtract the given numbers on the number lines. Okay, find the difference. Okay, difference and what problem you see. So practice is very important. Progress worksheet also practice. See here, word problem also here. So children, practice. Now children, write the homework chapter 3, page 41 up to 53. Okay. Children, if you are having any more doubts, watch the video that I have made earlier where I have explained in details. So I hope everyone practice